Hello kindergartners, how are you all? Hope you all are doing great. We all are back to learn and I warmly welcome you all in your new class. I hope you all have explored a lot in class nursery about the world and it's time to understand more about the world around us. So today we are going to learn about our homeland. Today we are going to learn about Independence Day. Also, we will recognize national identities and national heroes. Lastly, we will learn the names of provinces of Pakistan. So my little learners, can you tell what is a homeland? Yes, well done. Homeland is a place where we all live together and share our culture and traditions. And do you know what is the name of our homeland? Our homeland is Pakistan. And this is the flag of Pakistan. And my learners, what are the colors of the flag of Pakistan? Yes, you're right. They are white and green. White color on our flag represents non-Muslims as they are less in numbers, and green representing Muslims as they are more in numbers. Now what can you see on our national flag? Superb! A moon and a star. Now let's talk about our Independence Day. Independence Day is the day when Pakistan came into being. And do you know when do we celebrate Independence Day? We celebrate Independence Day on 14th August every year. For celebrating Independence Day, Pakistanis decorate their homes with flags and sing many national songs to show their love for Pakistan. So now let's remember our national heroes of Pakistan who worked hard day and night to make a separate homeland for Muslims. They fought and sacrificed. Do you know who is he? Bravo! He is the founder of Pakistan. He is Quaid-e-Azam. He fought for the separate homeland. He is also first Governor General of Pakistan. Now let's see the next picture. Awesome! He is our great national poet, Allama Iqbal. He wrote beautiful poetry for the Muslims. Now let's talk about provinces of Pakistan. A country is divided into different parts and they are called provinces. Can you name the provinces of Pakistan? Superb! They are Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. So my little learners, let's learn about some national identities of Pakistan. So let me tell you, what is an identity? Identity is something which makes a country different from others. Now look at our national fruit. It is of yellow color. It's so yummy. And I hope you all like this fruit. Which fruit is this? Yummy sweet mango. Mango is the national fruit of Pakistan. Okay, now let's look at the next picture. It's a white flower with yellow color inside. Do you know which flower is this? Amazing! This is jasmine and jasmine is the national flower of Pakistan. Now look at the next picture. Kindergarten, have you ever seen a bird like this? So do you know which bird is this? Thumbs up, this is Shakur, the national bird of Pakistan. Which is this animal? Well done, you guessed it. It's markhor, the national animal of Pakistan. Markhor is not a common animal. Markhor is a beautiful animal with horns. You will find it on mountains in northern areas. Now learners, it's the national game of Pakistan. Can you guess which game is it? Superb! It's hockey. Hockey is the national game of Pakistan. Now let's have a small quiz about our homeland. So my learners, I hope you all have watched the video with attention. Now it's your quiz time. I will ask a few questions. You try to answer them. Let's do the first one. When do we celebrate Independence Day? Well done! We celebrate Independence Day on 14th August. My next question is, name 4 provinces of Pakistan. Good job! 4 provinces are Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan and KPK. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Now I hope you enjoyed the lesson and learned many things about our homeland. There are 3 worksheets uploaded in the folder. Download all 3 worksheets for further practice. Bye bye. See you next time. Have a good day.